Hello YouTube, this is SergeantFrostBite here with another video for you. I'm gonna do a video. Well, first off, I did a video over just an overview of all the Swiss Army knives I've had so far, and if I remember, I said that I was gonna do a detailed video over all of the Swiss Army knives. So this is what I'm doing here. I was gonna do this like a few weeks ago, maybe like 3-4 weeks ago, but there's something happened with the camera, and I just never got back to it. Well, I finally have, and I might have to make this a 2-part video because the camera's about to die. It has like 8 minutes left on it. So let's just get started quickly. So we're gonna go small to big first, and my sister's screaming at my brother. So here's, not sure what this is called. I mean, if you look on the Swiss Army website, go to Swiss Army and then click on their website or whatever, you can find these knives. This is the smallest knife I think they have. Let it zoom in. Okay, let me open the, here's the blade. It's really tiny. See? And it has a, I think you'd call it a Phillips screwdriver on the tip right here, and then it has I guess for your nails, or it could be, I think they call it metal, like you put on metal. Okay, so it has mostly every knife has a little ring right here to put on like car keys or whatever. And then it has scissors, and every Swiss Army knife has this, mostly tweezers, and a toothpick. So yeah, and this is the Recruit. The Recruit, I think you call it the Recruit. Yeah, this is the first Swiss Army knife I got. Keychain, has a decent blade. So the blade is about the size of the knife. It's bigger than the last one. Then you have this. This is a screwdriver right here. I'm not sure what this other part does, but you can just use it. Mostly, I found out whenever you're using knives, usually tools can do stuff that they're not intended to do. So if it's a, for example, Phillips screwdriver or whatever on your knife, it can serve many other purposes other than just one purpose. Yeah. And it has a tinier blade. I think this is a bottle opener. And it has a screwdriver on it too. That's really all the tools, and has tweezers and a toothpick, as you know. Here we come to the Huntsman. It's got more tools on it. It's got the other screwdriver with the tool that I'm not sure of, and then it has the bottle opener with the screwdriver on it too, and of course it's got a blade, which is even bigger. Has a tinier blade. And it has a saw blade on it, which is actually pretty good. I've cut many branches with this. and scissors. Hold on. Scissors. It has some other features on the back. See, you open, like, it opens corks, things with cork screws on it. And I think you would call, it's just a little hook, yeah. I guess if you could just do something like this with it. And hold on. Hold on. It has, I think you would, let me see if I can open this. Yeah. You call this a reamer. It's just for making little tiny holes. These tools are on the back side. And last but not least, I got this last Christmas, 2014. It's the Swiss Army knife. It's called the Swiss Champ. Comes in this little leather pouch that can belt compatible, and it's huge. It has, I'm gonna try to get through these quickly because my camera battery is about to die. If it dies, I'll make a part 2. It has a huge blade. See, look how it fits in my hand. It's huge. Yeah, my camera is about to die. We'll get into this when I make a part 2. I need to go see if I can charge the battery. Okay, so stay tuned for part 2 where I just review the Swiss Champ only. Okay, bye.